I will show you how to install the data analysis tool in Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. Okay, when you open Excel sheet, and you want to do some sort of statistical analysis, when you click on the Data tab, and here in right-hand side, you should be able to see a data analysis tool. When you click on the data analysis tool, if you have nothing here on the right-hand side, and you need to install. Okay, first, you go on the File menu, then scroll down to Options. Just click on Option. Now, in left-hand side here, there are so many choices. Okay, now click on Add-in, then down here, where are Manage Excel, then Add-ins, then click Go. You can see the solver check. Now check on the data analysis option. Then click OK. And now you can see, data analysis tool is appear on the right hand side. Now you can easily do your statistical analysis with this tab.
Once you put the pack in, the analysis pack, now you upload whatever the data is. Okay, so I've done this week's data. I'm not going to run this week's data, but if I go to the top here and I make sure that I'm on the data one right here. Sorry, it should be right here. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, but if I go over here to data analysis each time that I'm going to do this, now I can find what I need. Okay, so in this case, I need descriptive statistics this week, and then I hit OK, and the box comes up. Okay, and then basically I have to just highlight the area I want. Okay, just like this. And then I'm going to just do this one and new worksheet. Okay, so if I put an output range and I go here and then I go here and then I come back and I hit this little box right here, it'll drop it back down. I hit OK. Okay, collect one statistical option. I thought I already did. Okay, so it will give me my mean, my standard deviation, and everything I need. So, in respect to this, what I would do here is I would highlight all of these. Okay, highlight them all, highlight them all. And then go here and go to Format Cells. And then I go to Number. Change, it should be 2 decimal places, and I hit 2 decimal places. Now you have everything you need, okay, to complete what you need based on the video that talks about how to write this up. Okay, you only need certain things.